In probably, yes, it was the second video, I went over setting up the camera for your character, and I forgot to mention one thing. If you go into your character's blueprint, whatever character you may have, make sure to select camera, scroll all the way down to post process, color grading, miscellaneous, and set the tone curve amount to 0. The default is 1. And with that, things just look a little dreary. And so if we set this to 0, we get a lot more of a bright look. Now, that can depend on what you would like for style and such, but in my opinion, this just looks better in general. Um, as you can see, set to 1, it just has a kind of odd lighting on the character. Things are just kind of off tone and off color. So yeah, there you go. Set that to 0 and you'll have a lot better looking of a 2D environment. And that should be it for this video. Thank you.